Hello, and welcome to another episode of The Art of Delegation. I'm Joe, and here at Get Stepped Up, we believe we have the potential to add tremendous value to your firm and many others across the country. This feeling is backed up by hard data and customer feedback. Here are two reasons why we differentiate from our competitors, and I'll briefly mention how our model differs from the model of onlinejobs.ph. Number one, we have a proven track record of success. We have a very tough applicant screening process that enables us to recruit the top 1% in quality from various places. Primarily, our virtual assistants hail from countries in Latin America and South Africa, rather than other countries such as the Philippines. One of the reasons why we do this is that the accents from Latin America and South Africa are highly attractive to our customers. At the end of the day, customer feedback is of paramount importance. And so we have to rely on this feedback, which rates the accents and communication skills of our VAs so highly. Time zones are another big factor as well. We found out that the time zones of our VAs in Latin America and South Africa harmonize with the schedules of our customers very nicely. Number two, the benefits of a small premium. When you hire Get Stepped Up, you may end up paying a bit more as a premium to cover the elite services we provide. Our screening process, for instance, is very in-depth, and it helps us prevent costly turnover. Although customers may pay a bit more for this level of service, things usually come out in the customer's favor in the long run. This is because of the quality and durability of our assistance. And also feel free to share this with someone who could use them. Don't forget to follow us on all social media for more tips on the art of delegation. See you next time.